Afternoon, happy Sunday. It's past 12 noon. Current temperature is 11, feels like 5. I'm here on the gravel road right now, Lan Hastings Trail. Nagpalit ako ng tire yesterday kasi naka-road ako, lumulubog. I almost got into accident, and I switched to gravel tire right now. And then I switched also the front and back tire, because the other one got a flat tire last Friday. And then I switched front and back tire, kasi parang kalbo na yung nasa likod yung nasa harap hindi pa. Anyhow, shout out sa inyo lahat. Magandang tanghali. Battery. And take care. The water. Geese. Yun, no? Yun, geese. Maraming pako dito Dito. Dito yung mga pako. Yun, uwi na tayo. I'm gonna go home. It's 12.4 kilometers and it's past 1:30 p.m. Uwi na tayo. Alright, have a good day everyone. God bless. Shout out sa mga master, Kasaklay, Pautupit, JRDT Moy, for the love of cycling, and all my subscribers. Thank you for watching. See you next.